A very good morning to all my dear students of class 8. This is the fourth class and the last class, the concluding class on the story. This is Jodie's Fawn. Okay. In the previous three classes, in the first one I have given the introduction. In the next two classes I have given the explanation. And today I will give you some questions from the chapter. And I hope you can write the answers yourselves. Okay. So as you all know, you generally have reference to the context. So at first I will give you some reference to the context, then I will give you 2 marks question, and then I will give you 1 or 2 long questions, okay, which is of 8 marks. So reference to the context you generally have in your exam. So the marks of reference to the context is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. The extracts are taken from the texts which you have to identify and give the answers of the questions given. So be ready, write reference to the context number 1. Within inverted comma, I am glad you found him. I am glad you found him. Inverted comma closed. Name the story from which the extract has been taken. Name the story from which the extract has been taken. B. Who is the speaker? Who is the speaker? Who was found? Who was found? B. Why was the speaker happy? Why was the speaker happy? This was reference to the context, question number 1. You have written, I hope. Write question number 2. Within inverted comma, within inverted comma, there, comma, and there. That tall pine makes a bearing. That tall pine makes a bearing. Question number A. Who is the speaker? Whom did the speaker say this? Written. Whom did the speaker say this? Question number C. What was the speaker talking about? What was the speaker talking about? What was the speaker talking about? So there are only 3 questions, 1 plus 1 plus 2, okay, from this reference to the context. Generally it is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, but I am giving it 1 plus 1 plus 2, this one, this question. Now write another one. But I am afraid to leave you, boy. But I am afraid to leave you, boy. Suppose you got lost and got bitten by the snake too. And got bitten by the snake too. First question. Who is the speaker? Why was he afraid to leave the boy alone? Why was the speaker afraid to leave the boy alone? Why did the boy pressurize the speaker? Why did the boy pressurize the speaker to leave him alone? Why did the boy pressurize the speaker to leave him alone? That is also 1 plus 1 plus 2. Okay. So 3 reference to the contexts I have given you. Now I will give you questions, 2 marks questions. You just write them. Start writing. Write them fast, okay? I will repeat each question twice. How did Jody bring the fawn back home? How did Jody bring the fawn back home? Question number 2. Jody was filled with emotion after he found the fawn. Can you find at least 3 words on phrases which show how he felt? Which show how he felt? Jody was filled with emotion after he found the fawn. Can you find at least 3 words on phrases which show how he felt? Question number 3. How did the deer drink milk from the god? How did the deer drink milk from the god? Why did Penny Boxer allow Jody to go find the fawn and praise it? Why did Penny Baxter allow Jody to go find the fawn and raise it? How did Jody look after the fawn? Question number 4. How did Jody look after the fawn? FAWN, comma. After he accepted the responsibility for doing this. After he accepted the responsibility for doing this. Next question. How does Jody's mother react when she heard that he is going to bring the fawn home? How does Jody's mother react when she heard that he is going to bring the fawn home? Why does she react in this way? Why does she react in this way? So generally students, I give many questions from this chapter, from any literature chapter that I teach in other classes. Class 8 I am teaching for the first time this year. But I'm not giving you much questions here because there are already many questions in the book from this chapter. Okay, already many questions, and whatever questions I am giving now, I will just give you the snap of other questions also and post them in WhatsApp. Now I will give one long question for you to write. That is, write down. Describe in your own words how Jody found the fawn in the forest. Describe in your own words how Jody found the fawn in the forest. Okay, so bye for today.